which everyone ignores. It is very crucial topic to be talked about, but still people ignore this topic. I am going to talk about self-love. Yeah, now many of you will, I think there is no one, but yeah, you will think that why we are talking about this topic? Why this topic is very important? I am here to tell you exactly why self-love is important today. So let's take an example of us students. We mostly in our life think about exams, competitions, and all. We try to compete with each other all the time. We say that if we will get this position, if we will get this thing, then only we will appreciate ourselves. But no, appreciating yourself in the worst time is the best thing you can do to yourself. When you are failing and still you appreciate yourself, this is true form of self-love. My number one would be that love yourself in your worst times. Now I'm here to just give my point of view from my heart. I'm not here with a long script to read or to show off my English things. But yeah, secondly, I would talk about social media. Social media, very positive place for many people, but also very negative place because it is social media where our youth is getting to know about these things. Like a social media video would say that if you look like that, then only you are perfect. If your hair is straight, then only you are perfect. If your nose is like that or head is like that, then only you are perfect. Oh my God. Who are these people to tell you that these things are going to make you perfect? If we all will look alike, if we all will look the same, then how we will be able to differentiate between each every one of us? It's our unique identity and feature which makes us unique. So number two I would add in here is that accepting yourself is very highest form of self-love. Now you will see that these fashion reels, if you wear these stuff, then only you are considered trendy, otherwise no one would look at you. No everyone, you choose your own style, you choose your own fashion according to what you feel is comfortable. You are the one to tell yourself what is right for you and what is wrong for you. Now, thirdly, I would talk about our dear, respected and learned teachers. All the teachers over here. You teachers managing the classrooms in college or even the school teachers and then going at home managing your house lives. But still somehow you never forget to smile every day. I would love to ask to all of you teachers, when was the last time you asked yourself, am I okay? Am I happy with my life right now? Or is there anything more I needed to add in my life? When was the last time you asked this to yourself? So dear teachers and also the students, prioritize yourself. My third point would be that keeping yourself as one of the first priority is gonna help you a lot. And it is the third point, very most important point about self-love. Taking time for yourself is very required. Now, I would also love to talk about more things. Okay, so we know that in our daily life with teenagers or all the teachers, even the adults when I'm not talking about that, we face criticism. Yeah, we face criticism from people that, oh my God, you do it like that. Oh my God, that is so bad. Oh, you have all these things. No, that is so bad. And the people who is getting criticized feel bad about it. Oh my God, how to survive in such conditions and all. But you know, self-love has answer to this too. If you will love yourself, if you will love yourself enough, if you become the part of your self-love journey, then you would know that what others are telling are their opinions, not the facts. You choose your own reality. You love yourself and you will not care about anyone else's opinion. Now it was about the people who is getting criticized. Even the criticizer who is telling bad to people, who is talking shit about, who is talking bad about people, they can also be solved. How? If they would love themselves, then they will be full of love within. So how a person who is full of love from inside can hate anyone else? So these complicated problems we all face in our teenage life can also be solved very simply with the help of these things. And in these years we get a lot of distraction and we find something from others. Oh my God! If someone is talking nicely to us, we'll go there. Yeah, he or she, my friend or that boy or that girl. Yeah, she loves me, and we go in the distracted places. But what was the most important thing is that you have to find yourself, not others. You're not here to understand others. This age is for understanding yourself, and that would also come with self-love. When you will be full of love within yourself, you won't go anywhere. At last, I would say that you are born with yourself and you are gonna die with yourself. It's you and you against the world. So please make yourself a priority. Enjoy the life journey. Do not focus on the worst part. Focus that you have enjoyed it. Either you win, either you lose. So yeah, focus on yourself, make yourself priority, take care of yourself and accept yourself just the way you are. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day and love